How to get 4,000 watch hours. Turn this up in YouTube Studio to get more views. Post like this to get more views. Use this method to get more subscribers. Do this and do that. Yeah, we've been hearing all these hacks just to grow on YouTube. You have watched every tutorial videos. Post at the perfect time. Follow every growth hacks, but the views are still low. The subscribers are not moving. And you are just sitting there like, what is going on? What is actually going on? The harsh truth about YouTube hacks. Listen, I've been there, you've been there, we've all been there, and we're still trying to leave that spot as I speak. Some of these so-called hacks are clickbait. Some creators just throw around the buzzword just to get their views up, not yours. Some creators, for example, you hear some creators say, post daily, post consistently, turn this up in YouTube Studio and your views will increase. I got 4,000 watch hours within one day. Do this, do that. Yes, some people might be lucky to get one viral video that will give them 4,000 watch hours. How many people among the millions of creators do get that advantage? You might be lucky, I might be lucky to get such videos. And I pray this video give me such advantage. The reality on YouTube growth is that it's not an overnight thing. It takes consistency, strategies, and patience to grow on YouTube. Stop pressuring yourself. Don't stress yourself when it comes to growing on YouTube. I know, right? Because you put hours in shooting and hours in editing. And at the end of the day, after posting, you barely get any views. It's frustrating. I've been there and I'm still struggling to make there, which I know I will very soon. I know it's really frustrating after putting on so much work and you don't get the views. Yes, it's really frustrating. But one thing you should get in your head is that you should not burn yourself out. Don't be harsh on yourself. Don't burn yourself out, because burning yourself will not increase your views or subscribers. Pressuring yourself to go fast on YouTube will only make you hate creating content. Yes, because you might not see the results you expect to see. It will make you hate creating content. So stop pressuring yourself. Creating content on YouTube can be fun, but if you're always stressing yourself to create content, you will lose the motivation before you even start. Ask yourself now, what actually works on YouTube? How can I make my YouTube channel grow? Here are some of the things I got to know. 1. Make clickable content. And be honest, your thumbnail and title should grab attention without being misleading. Work on engaging intros, storytelling, and keep your audience hooked. Be consistent and smart. You don't have to post daily, but you need a schedule. One great video a week is better than 5 rushed ones. Don't ever engage in sub for sub, because most of the subscribers you get from sub will not engage in your videos. Yes, they will not engage in your videos. Optimize your videos, search for 20 topics in your niche, then create your content. Always have it at the back of your mind that YouTube growth takes time, but one video can make you go viral. Focus on getting better, not just bigger. Be grateful. Be grateful for each subscriber count and views. Be grateful when you wake up, see that your subscriber increased by 1. Be grateful. Be thankful to God that it's increasing. Let it be a way of encouragement to you. Remember that you are not failing. You are learning. And I promise you, success will come. Don't give up as a small or growing YouTuber. Keep doing the work that you know best. Now, drop a comment. What's the biggest struggle you face as a small YouTube content creator? Leave a comment in this video. Let's help each other out. You can also send a direct message to me on the WhatsApp link I will leave in this video description. Yes, it's a community of creators, and if you have any questions to ask, you can reach me through that link. Let's learn and grow together here on YouTube. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, like this video, and also share and turn on your notification to get notified whenever I post a video. Don't give up while creating content. Don't be harsh on yourself. Don't stress yourself. You can make it here on YouTube. Keep posting, keep strategizing, and keep growing. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.